Editing for coherence and clarity, making your essays shine. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic writing, specifically focusing on editing for coherence and clarity. Imagine reading a story where the events are jumbled, or a recipe where the steps are out of order. Not very helpful, right? That's why transitions and coherence are vital in essays. Let's learn how to make our writing clear and smoothly flowing. Coherence refers to the logical and consistent interrelationship of ideas in a text. When a piece of writing is coherent, every part seems to fit together seamlessly. Clarity, on the other hand, means your writing is easy to understand. Even if your ideas are connected, they won't be effective if they're not expressed clearly. Remember, coherence equals ideas flow smoothly and logically. Clarity equals ideas are easily understood. Here are some typical problems. 1. Jumping from one idea to another. Without smooth transitions, readers can become lost. 2. Vague or ambiguous statements. Without clear expression, your point might be missed. 3. Overly complex sentences. They can confuse readers and bury your main point. 1. Use transition words, phrases. Words like, however, in addition, on the other hand, help guide your reader. 2. Stick to one idea per paragraph. This helps in organizing your thoughts and arguments. 3. Use a logical structure. Start with an introduction, followed by the body, arguments, evidence, and conclude with a summary. 1. Simplify sentences. Break down complex sentences into shorter, more digestible ones. 2. Be precise. Avoid vague language. If you mean dogs, don't just say animals. 3. Reread and edit. After writing, take a break and come back with fresh eyes. You'll often spot areas that can be clearer. The best way to master coherence and clarity is through practice. After writing, actively check for logical flow, simplify complex ideas, seek feedback from peers or mentors. Remember, every great writer was once a learner too. With practice and attention to detail, you'll soon be crafting essays that not only make sense but also shine with clarity. Thank you for joining us in today's journey through editing for coherence and clarity. We hope these techniques will be valuable tools in your academic writing arsenal. Until next time, keep writing, keep editing, and keep shining.